Greetings, students. Welcome to the 10th and final brief video on preparing the lab report. You've made it. You're at the references section. Here I just want to point out a couple of brief points. First is that the references should include only the sources that you cited using APA format in your report. Citing the source in your report where you actually used it provides evidence that it was included in the report. It's not sufficient just to list the source as a reference. You have to cite it in order to be credited for using it. So if you did not use the class textbook, do not list it here. For additional resources, you can check with your instructor, or you can visit the UAGC Writing Center's resources, which include this helpful link to formatting your reference list. And congratulations, you have completed your lab report.